videotape.
Sorry guys, we missed the fall. The whole thing came down with the wind. It was friggin' crazy. Look at this shit. Oh, look at that. We friggin' trees all shit. Look at this tree. Friggin' blocked the whole shit.
Dude, go out in front, see what it did.
Didn't do anything. It didn't even go through. It did shit. Go check it out. Holy shit. Dude, look at this. This is freaking crazy. It fucking knocked down the whole friggin' ledge. It was on the friggin' ledge.
What?
Look at this. It's friggin' on the ledge. It's friggin' crazy, dude. Daddy. Dude, I can't believe I missed that. I'm so, like, disappointed right now.
I'm disappointed in you, Dean.
Then now the quarters and shit can't come back here.
What? Why not?
Look at this. We knocked this whole fuck down. Oh my Christ, no. You know how friggin' long that's gonna take?
What, that one?
Yeah.
Just as
longer than that one. We should pick a simple one.
that one.
Oh, it's too skinny.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. This one.
Yeah. Ben, we should just delete all these videos.
Why?
Because this one wasn't a success.
Dude, we freaking trampled the whole forest. It's kind of hoping that we could just, like, make a fort back here or something. That was fun, no, wasn't it?
That tree kind of probably stay there forever.
Yep.
It's not really good news because it got hit down. I don't see how long stuff are really.
Go when you slice open your ball sack, you're gonna be knowing about it. You're a fucking disgrace. You're gonna fall right in his tits.
This thing's like 40 years old.
I'm gonna fall on my dick.
You're gonna fall out right on your dick.
Hey, look!
You alright?
Friggin' dick. It's not me, you motherfucker. Fuck you up right now, oh shit.
There we go. Oh.
Who's gonna win it? You guys fight like pussies.
I didn't even bother fighting.
Because you know he'll kick your ass, right?
Yeah, fuck.
Friggin' foam.
I got that all on video too. You alright?
A little stump just went up my ass.
Look at that hit. Oh, I gotta see
I
this.
feel like screwing around out here now.
Alright.